So apparently, here's something off of Cointelegram. Um, Goldman Sachs to offer Bitcoin futures trading in partnership with Galaxy Digital. Goldman Sachs has debuted a Bitcoin futures trading product for its clients in collaboration with crypto investment giant Galaxy Digital. According to CNBC, the move marks the first time the Wall Street's bank has partnered with digital assets based liquidity provider Galaxy Digital co president Damien Vanderwilt. Hope I said his name right, said the company offered a gateway to the crypto space, allowing a tightly regulated entity like Goldman to offer crypto-related investment products. Goldman will reportedly be offering CME Group Bitcoin futures for its clients, marking another expansion of its recently established crypto trading desk. The move follows swiftly on the heels of an earlier announcement by the bank about debuting Ether futures and options. For Vanderbilt, Goldman offering BTC futures trading will help to onboard more institutional investors into crypto investment space, which the Galaxy executive argues will help reduce price volatility. Now, there's something that I actually want to say uh, about that right there. About how they say that when institutional investors come in, that we can see the lessening of of volatility, and I think we're actually kind of looking at that wrong. And the reason why I
Yeah,
say that is because
we
as
opt.
as institutional investors have been getting in, we've been seeing the price be driven down, and it's because they want to get in at that lowest price possible and then sell to, their clients at a higher price. So I think
Exactly.
saying that volatility is going to go away the more I will say this, like 10 years down the road from now, yeah, most certainly, because at that point society is going to be so heavily integrated with crypto that the volatility is going to have a different type of pattern.
Well, see, also too, you got to bring into play. Remember how Binance coin or Binance's platform, the actual Binance, not Binance US, right? Binance Global, and all the global platforms have stock tokens that track these stocks as well. So if you don't want to invest in the stock market, but you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you can just turn around and invest in these stocks or these cryptocurrency tokens that track the stock. The same thing as investing in the stock in a sense, right?
Right.
So I just see a lot of the mixture of the two markets coming into play right now, especially with this. With Goldman Sachs hooking up with Galaxy, I mean, that's a pretty big move, pretty big, bold move. That's awesome. Because if you don't know or haven't, done your research, not you, but anybody watching or listening, a couple weeks ago, months ago, I should say, a bunch of companies, actually in September, one of the first companies that applied for a Bitcoin ETF back in like September, and I think it got okayed in like December of last year in 2020, and then a ton of companies in like April, right around the end of March, in the beginning of April, were applying for Bitcoin ETFs through the SEC. The SEC was coming out saying that they were astronomical, receiving astronomical requests from different, smaller stockholder companies or things of that nature. You know what I'm saying? Like, and like Fidelity and, all these big ones, Charles Schwab and, XA Splee and so far and so forth, right?
Right.
And so I think that this is really a good move though for the stock market too, and crypto. Once they intertwine with each other, I think that it's going to be a never ending, obvious up and down roller coaster type of deal because we'll never be able to predict exactly what the market's going to do. But Galaxy's good. Galaxy's a good company. I don't know if you've been following Mike Novogratz at all, but I have for a little bit. I'm pretty sure I own some of his stock actually in Galaxy Digital, and they're actually on fire. There's just one thing I didn't really get down with what he was talking about Dogecoin. So he was just kind of dissing Dogecoin and dissing the use case of it. So I didn't like that too much, but he's a very intelligent man, very smart businessman, knows what he's doing. Galaxy Digital is a great company, and I see nothing but good things for this, collaboration between Goldman Sachs and Galaxy Digital.
Yeah, I think what we're seeing right here, I think that that's a great thing. I think that's something that we do want to see. The only thing I don't want to see is I don't want to see any more of this manipulation, right? I don't want to see any more of this nonsense going on where one day we're given FUD from one of these major companies, and then the next day they're essentially singing its praises. I'm just getting really tired of the flipping back and forth. Just to
Yes,
and that's
man.
what I'm saying about like this whole FUD thing is that it's just it's becoming old, and that's why you're beginning to see we were beginning to see that closing of the gap,
Yeah,
from the highs and the lows.
I would have to agree, man. 100%.
So I mean, it it's really up to them on whether or not they actually want to see this see crypto become successful or not. It we have a big part in it, but retail investors, if we don't have the big money to put into it, then these institutions are going to scare us out of it, and it's one of the reasons why you just got to make sure that you're understanding what's going on with the market.